I've always wanted to see an easier way to program. Something that a hobbyist, a professional, can use to learn more programming or start with programming, and at the same time it's a fun way to program. I wanted the device to be programmed using a professional tool.
The exciting thing about Game-O is that Game-O starts with your imagination. And the fun of it is in producing a program that eventually you can show to your friends and they can be addicted to the game that you wrote.
The Game-O has a Cortex M4 microprocessor, 168 MHz, with 1 MB of flash that allows for the firmware and for the developer's program. For this device, we have an accelerometer on there which will allow you to tilt the Game-O in varying directions to actually allow you to have the sprite move forward or go in reverse, left and right. What's special about the hardware to software interface is the speed at which you could actually see your programs actually functioning. Because once you have an idea for what you want to program, you can program it relatively easy, and then you deploy it and you can see your results almost immediately. And with the USB debugging features, you can actually step into the code to determine how those features are actually working.
Game-O is all open source from the hardware and the software. You can use Microsoft's free tool Visual Studio Express, which supports VB.NET and C# to develop for this. Visual Studio contains everything you might need to develop for the platform. It contains everything you need to debug, deploy, write the software and everything. It's an all-in-one tool. In using this, you can use the full power of Game-O to build anything you might want with a small device like that, from game tile engine, a ray tracing renderer, to anything, Pong demos, anything like that. And this is all supported through the libraries that we've written for you to make development easy, from the display, to the keys, to sound, to even the accelerometer in the device. It's all neatly wrapped up for you, so it's very easy to get started and make very cool and powerful applications.
1 + 1 = 2.
We're reaching out to the Kickstarter community to further develop this open source programmable console. FEZ Game-O.